Good morning, all of you. In previous class, we are seeing the classical and fuzzy sets. Now we can see the fuzzy logic system. So, fuzzy logic system was introduced in 1965 by Lotfi A. Zedai. And the fuzzy logic system is a mathematical tool for dealing with uncertainty. It offers to a soft computing partnership the important concept of with some words, which means a linguistic variables. So here a fuzzy logic provides a technique to deal with imprecision and information granularity. The fuzzy theory provides a mechanism for representing linguistic variables such as many, low, medium, often, few. In general, fuzzy logic provides in an inference structure that enables appropriate human reasoning capabilities. So now here we can see the traditional binary set theory, which provides with an crisp values, events that either do or do not occur. It uses probability theory to explain if an event will occur, measuring the chance with which a given event is expected to occur. The theory of fuzzy logic based upon the notation of relative graded membership, and so are the functions of mentation and cognitive process. So here we can see the simple way of understanding the fuzzy logic system. So here the inputs for the fuzzy logic systems are imprecise data and some vague statements. And the output is the humans are taking a decisions. So here, which is a fuzzy logic system which accepts imprecise data and vague statements such as low, medium, high, and provides decisions. See here, we can see some of the applications of fuzzy systems. So one of the applications is majorly in the subway system. So to control in the subway, especially the Japan peoples are used this fuzzy system in the year of 1988. And one more applications, regularly the human beings are utilized washing machines and fuzzy auto controller in cars, elevator monitoring and control system, copying machines, which means Xerox machines, to adjusting the drum voltage based upon the picture density, humidity, and temperature, and golf diagnostic system, image processing, fuzzy logic for condition-based monitoring of the mission, especially in an electrical mission, fault classification, fault detection, and remaining life prediction. And some more applications, aerospace, to control the altitude and the satellite altitude control, and the psychology, which means human behavior analysis, air conditioning system, so which means room temperature and humidity control, diagnosis of coronary artery diseases, and agriculture purpose to test the soil moisture and water, weather, and other environmental conditions, and the probability and the traffic light fuzzy control. So we having the more applications in the fuzzy systems. So now we can see the simple difference between a probability and fuzzy logic. So both are operated on the numerical range values in between the 0 and 1. But however, there is a small difference between the probability and fuzzy logic. So probability, which is majorly based on the degree of the randomness. In case of fuzzy logic, which is based upon the degree of belongings. So probability deals with uncertainty and likelihood, but fuzzy logic which deals with the ambiguity and vagueness, which means unclear data. So see here some of the points relevant to the differences between probability and the fuzzy logic. So if in case see the operations in last class we are seeing in fuzzy sets. In case of probability, the AND operation you may represent it as A into B. Now observe in the fuzzy logic which is minimum of A comma B. The OR operation in probability we are write A plus B. In case of fuzzy logic, maximum of A comma B. So here majorly the fuzzy logic is considered as an example. Is Ramu honest? Extremely honest, very honest, sometimes honest, extremely dishonest. So we may classify it. So the value and uncertainty statements were clearly resolved with the fuzzy logic statement. See the fuzzification. So fuzzification means it is conversion of crisp quantity to the fuzzy quantities, or you may simply the process of transforming crisp values to the linguistic values is called fuzzification. For the fuzzification process, we are following the majorly two steps. Step number one, input values are translated into linguistic concepts, which are represented by a fuzzy set. And step number two, membership functions are applied to the measurements and the degree of membership is determined. So the membership function is either triangular or a trapezoidal or a bell-shaped membership functions. See the some more points regarding the fuzzification. Fuzzification done by simply recognizing that many of the quantities that we considered to be crisp and deterministic are actually not deterministic at all. They carry considerable uncertainty. In the form of uncertainty happens to arise because of imprecision, ambiguity, or vagueness. Then the variable is probably fuzzy and can hence be represented by a membership function. The data generated by a digital voltmeter, consider as an example. So the data generated by a digital voltmeter is a crisp one, but are subjected to experimental error. This imprecision can be used to consider the data generated by a voltmeter as fuzzy can be represented by a membership function. So see here some of the fuzzy rules for the fuzzification purpose. So the power and flexibility of simple if then else logic rules is enhanced by adding linguistic parameters. Fuzzy rules are expressed in the form of generally if then rule. So if variable is set then action. Suppose consider an example, a air conditioner is presented in a room. Now how to adjust the room temperature? So if temperature is very cold, then we may stop the air conditioner. If temperature is normal, then adjust the air conditioner. If temperature is hot, then start the air conditioner. So like that we are framing the some rules. So here the fuzzy rules process in from fuzzy antecedent to the fuzzy conclusion. Fuzzy antecedent means given a fuzzy membership in this one, and fuzzy conclusion means what is the fuzzy membership in this one. Okay. So see one more example, we may clearly understand. Suppose some X person is traveling from point A to B. If nearly a curve will be appeared, then exit and going to the slope. Then we may accelerate it. If far from curve exit and going medium, then accelerate. So here fuzzification, the fuzzy antecedent is created from a process called fuzzification. Fuzzification requires fuzzy definitions of logical connectivities, majorly and, or, and not, which curiously behave just like crisp and, or, and not, except being for fuzzy. See here way of representation of degrees of set membership functions. On x-axis, we may consider distance to a Karu, and y-axis we may represent it in terms of membership functions. Okay. So whenever the curve it should be nearer, we may slow down the vehicle. The curve is far, now we may accelerate the vehicle. So for the conversion of crisp values to the fuzzy values, we may require some methods. So the various methods used for the fuzzification are intuition, inference, rank ordering, angular fuzzy sets, neural networks, genetic algorithms, inductive reasoning, soft partitioning, meta rules, and fuzzy statistics. We can see one by one how we make conversion of crisp to the fuzzy quantities. First, intuition. Intuition means the innate intelligence and understanding of human beings is used to develop fuzzy sets from crisp data in this method. Intuition involves contextual and semantic knowledge about an issue. It can also involve linguistic truth values about this knowledge. So, which is clearly explained with an example. Consider the membership function for fuzzy variable with the temperature. See this diagram? Here various shapes of the universe of the temperature measured in degrees centigrade. Each curve is a membership corresponding to various fuzzy variables such as very cold, cold, normal, hot, and very hot. So the set of curves can be chosen based upon the application. So on x-axis you are consider temperature in degrees centigrade, and y-axis you may consider as membership functions. And the temperature levels are measured in either cold or cool, warm, hot. So various notations you may represent it. See here, second one, inference. In the inference method, knowledge is used to perform deductive reasoning. That is, we wish to deduce or infer a conclusion given a body of facts and knowledge. In the identification of a triangle, let us consider A, B, and C be the inner angles of triangle in the order A greater than or equal to B greater than or equal to C greater than or equal to 0, and let U be the universe of triangles. So which means A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees, and the values of A, B, C are greater than or equal to 0. So from this triangle, we may form various types of triangles. So see here, I is an appropriate isosceles triangle, R is an appropriate right angle triangle, IR is an appropriate isosceles right angle triangle, and E is an appropriate equilateral triangle, T is the some other triangles. So as a process, knowledge about the geometry, it is easy to infer the shape of triangle. Hence, the membership can be defined for various triangles. Okay. So here, the crisp quantities we are converted to the fuzzy values. And one more method, rank ordering. So accessing performed by single individual, a committee, a poll, and other opinion methods can be used to assign membership values to a fuzzy variable. Preference is determined by pairwise comparisons, and these determine the ordering of the membership. Similarly, see the angular fuzzy sets. Angular fuzzy sets differ from the ordinary fuzzy sets. In the coordinate description, angular fuzzy sets are defined on a universe angles, hence are repeating shapes every 2 pi cycles. 2 pi means 360 degrees. So these are usually used in the quantitative description of linguistic variables known as the truth values. So see an example. Let us take the case of measurement of the pH of an water. Samples collected from a polluted pond and give the readings of the linguistic labels. such as very basic, fairly basic, fairly acidics to communicate the quantitative information about the pollutions. So generally in an water, take it as the pH value equal to 7 or greater than 7 or less than 7. You may take it as acids, base, and a pure water. See a representation of angular fuzzy sets. So using these linguistic labels of pH, the model of angular fuzzy set, see this image, angular fuzzy sets defined in a unit circles. So here theta is equal to pi by 2, and here 3 pi by 8, pi by 4, pi by 8, theta equal to 0, neutral, and these are the acid levels and these are the base levels. So the linguistic values vary with theta, and their membership values are in the mu of theta axis. So the membership value of the linguistic term can be obtained from the equation. So mu of theta is equal to t times of the tan of theta, where t is the horizontal projection of a radial vector. See the neural network, so which is also one more method to conversion of crisp quantities to the fuzzy quantities. So actually these are neural networks are well known, and those are deals with the nonlinear functions, and here we are determining the membership functions. So for that purpose we may require the more number of input data values are selected and are divided into a training data and checking the data set. So the training data set is used to train the neural network. Let us consider an input training data set. So here we have represented two tables, so 1 and 2. So coordinate values of the different data points considers. The data points are first divided into different classes by conventional clustering techniques. So observe here, x1, x2, those are the input values, and where those are converted to the a membership function values. See the representation, table 1 and 2. Table 1 a representation of variables describing the data points to be used as a training data set. Table 2 is variables describing the data points used as checking data set. So conversion of crisp to the fuzzy quantities with the help of a neural networks. Similarly, a Zendik algorithm, so which is majorly based on the concept of Darwin's theory of evaluation. So Darwin's theory is stressed on the fact that the existence of all living things is based on the rule of survival of fittest. So Darwin also postulated that new breeds or classes of living things some come into existence through the process of reproduction, crossover, and mutation among existing organisms. So in the Zendik algorithm approach, first different possible solutions to a problem are created. These solutions are then tested for their performance. Among all possible solutions, a fraction of good solutions is selected and the others are eliminated. So the selected solution undergo the process of reproduction, crossover, and mutation to create new generation of possible solutions. This process of production of new generation and its evaluation is repeated until there is convergence within a generation. The benefit of this technique is that it searches for solution from a broad spectrum of possible solutions rather than restrict the search to a narrow domain. So see a flow chart where you may simply understand the genetic algorithm. So initialize population, and after that evaluation. So in the evaluation is done, we may stop that one. Otherwise we may selection, crossover, mutation. After that the cycle it is repeated. So in this manner we are conversion of crisp to the fuzzy quantities. Thank you.